Welcome to our channel, where we will explore together the incredible power of prayer and how it can transform our lives. Stay with us and prepare for a journey of inspiring spiritual discovery. Hello, beloved viewers, and welcome to this sacred moment of reflection and inspiration. Today, we connect with the heavenly message of Our Lady of Aparecida, seeking the light she gently sheds on our lives. We invite you to dive into this ocean of love and hope, allowing the maternal presence to guide our hearts. May this video be a beacon of peace in your days. Let's together receive the blessing of Our Lady of Aparecida. Inspiring message attributed to Our Lady of Aparecida. Beloved sons and daughters, may the peace of my son Jesus always be with you. Amid the storms of life, find refuge in prayer and trust in divine love. Just as a mother tenderly cares for her children, my maternal heart is always open to welcome you. Do not fear, for the light of faith dispels the darkness of despair. May your lives be guided by kindness, compassion and love. In every challenge, remember that you are not alone, for I am with you, interceding for your needs with my son. Embrace hope, cultivate charity and bear witness to the love that my son taught you. May the blessing of the Most High be upon you, now and forever. Amen. Thank you for joining us at this special moment. May the message of Our Lady of Aparecida remain in your hearts, illuminating every step of your journey. May your life be blessed with love, compassion and hope. Share this light with the world, and may divine peace always be with you. Until next time. Amen. Did you like the video and the prayer? So remember to leave a like, subscribe and activate the bell.